What did you do? Whoop! Kaboom!
You got wet.
Can you look at Mama?
You got so wet.
He loves watering the plants with Daddy.
Did you get wet? You got it in your mouth?
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet you did.
Hi.
You are silly. You're going to need new clothes now.
Again, third outfit today. I thought we were past that.
You want a drink?
Ah!
Coming out a little too